Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and today I'm going to show you how to share a private video on YouTube. Before you get started, you do need to know the email address that the person you're sharing with uses to sign in to Google and their YouTube account. The private video sharing feature was recently moved from Classic YouTube into YouTube Studio, making it much easier to find those settings. The easiest way to share is to do so during the video upload process. When you set the visibility to private, you will have the option to share it with specific email addresses. Again, those email addresses need to be the emails the person uses to sign into Google to access YouTube. If you didn't share your private video during the upload process, you can share it afterwards, or you can change who the video has been shared with. To do that, all you need to do is sign in to YouTube Studio, access the Videos tab, find your private video in the list, and then open the Details page. Once you're on the Details page, click the Visibility settings, and you will either see the option to share the private video, or if you've already shared it, to edit who you shared the video with. So click the visibility setting where it says private. If you haven't shared the video previously, click share privately. A box will pop up where you can enter the email or emails that you want to share the video with. You can optionally choose the option to notify those email addresses when it's shared. Then click done. If you have already privately shared the video, you will see that noted there, and you can choose to edit who the video is shared with. When you're done, be sure to click Save. Note that if the person is having trouble accessing the video that you shared with them, have them make sure they are signed into YouTube using their personal Google account identity. If they usually use YouTube with a brand account identity, they will have to switch back to their main Google account identity to actually watch your private video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials for using YouTube, Blogger, Meet, and other Google products.